बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वेलकम टू हार्वर्ड अकेडमी। डियर एस्पिरेंट्स स्टूडेंट्स, आज हमारा इस्लामिक स्टडी के हवाले से नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है हदीस एंड सुन्ना एंड देयर प्रैक्टिकल इम्पैक्ट। इसमें से जो पास पेपर में क्वेश्चन आ चुके हैं और इसके साथ साथ जो इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन पूछे जा सकते हैं उनका आज हम अहाता करेंगे, कवर करेंगे। ये 20 MCQs बेस्ड एक हमारी एक प्रैक्टिस भी है जिसमें आप अपने नॉलेज को टेस्ट भी कर सकते हैं और साथ में इन क्वेश्चन पे जो है वो फोकस भी कर सकते हैं। सो स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, द टर्म हदीस रेफर्स टू द खाली जगह ऑफ प्रॉफिट मोहम्मद पीस बी अपॉन हिम। ऑप्शन ए sayings and actions, option B revelations of the Quran, option C poetry, option D history of kings. Right option is option A, sayings and actions. Question number 2, Sunnah includes the actions, approvals and khali jagah of the Prophet peace be upon him. Option A dreams, option B sayings, option C economic policies, option D calendar. Right option is option B sayings. Question number 3, after the Quran, Hadith and Sunnah serve as a primary source of option A historical novels, option B Islamic law Sharia, option C poetry collection, option D engineering books. Right option is option B Islamic law Sharia. Question number 4, one major impact of Hadith on practical life is that it, option A increases taxes, option B guides moral behavior, option C predicts future events, option D teaches astronomy. Right option is option B guides moral behavior. Question number 5, which collection is considered one of the most authentic hadith books? Option A Sahih al-Bukhari, option B Iliad, option C Odyssey, option D Mein Kampf. Right option is option A Sahih al-Bukhari. Question number 6, the purpose of the isnad chain of narrations in hadith studies is to, option A make it longer, option B evaluate authenticity, option C entertain readers, option D add poetry. Right option is B evaluate authenticity. Question number 7, Sunnah is essential for understanding the Quran because it, option A contradicts it, option B explains and complements it, option C replaces it, option D ignores it. Right option is option B explains and complements it. Question number 8, Hadith and Sunnah guide a Muslim life in a matter of, option A diet, prayer and morals, option B only sports, option C only agriculture, option D only medicine. Right option is option A diet, prayer and morals. Question number 9, the Prophet Muhammad peace be upon him's example of honesty and trustworthiness encourages, option A injustice, option B ethical business practices, option C gambling, option D deception. Right option is option B ethical business practices. Question number 10, following the Sunnah helps in building, option A character and social values, option B walls, option C cars, option D computers. Right option is option A character and social values. Question number 11, hadiths that are most rigorously authenticated by scholars are called? Option A, fabricated. Option B, Sahih. Option C, weak, Zaif. Or option D, legendary. Right option is option B, Sahih. Question number 12. The Sunnah's influence on practical life includes option A, teaching environmental care. Option B, promoting superstition. Option C, encouraging laziness. Option D, ignoring neighbors. Right option is option A, teaching environmental care. Question number 13. Which of these is not a source of Sunnah? Option A, Hadith. Option B, Ijma, consensus. Option C, Quran. Option D, astrology. Right option is D, astrology. Question number 14. The Sunnah encourages kindness to option A, animals and humans. Option B, only rulers. Option C, only academics. Option D, only bankers. Right option is A, animals and humans. Question number 15. Following Hadith and Sunnah impacts daily life by promoting option A, social justice. Option B, noise pollution. Option C, dishonesty. Option D, exploitation. Right option is A, social justice. Question number 16. The science that studies the classification and authenticity of hadith is called option A, hadith sciences. Option B, mathematics. Option C, astronomy. Option D, economics. Right option is A, hadith sciences. Question number 17. Sunnah helps in applying the Khali Jagah of the Quran. Option A, rituals. Option B, rules and morals. Option C, sports. Option D, entertainment. Right option is option B, rules and morals. Question number 18. The hadith that describes the best moral character of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, emphasizes option A, arrogance. Option B, humanity and compassion. Option C, tyranny. Option D, indifference. Right option is option B, humility and compassion. Question number 19. The collection of 6 major hadith books is known as option A, Kutbul Sitta. Option B, the 4 Gospels. Option C, Canon of Medicine. Option D, the epic poems. Right option is A, Kutbul Sitta. Question number 20. Practicing hadith and sunnah in life leads to option A, stronger ethics and harmony. Option B, more conflict. Option C, rigid isolation. Option D, poetic creativity. Right option is A, stronger ethics and harmony. आज का सेशन यहाँ पे कंक्लूड होता है। हार्वर्ड अकेडमी के प्लेटफॉर्म से पटवारी के मुकम्मल एग्ज़ाम की तैयारी के लिए आप हमारा कोर्स ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं हार्वर्ड अकेडमी की वेबसाइट से, और मज़ीद इन्फॉर्मेशन के लिए आप हमें व्हाट्सएप पे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं। अल्लाह हाफिज़।